What do you think, Tim?
I think I'm gonna catch some fish.
Think this plane will get us there?
No problem.
John and them are trying to figure out where Paul's blankie can go. What do you think, Andrew?
Sweet.
Sweet or what? Everybody on. This is it, man.
Have fun up there, guys.
Thanks a lot.
Thanks.
Okay, Andrew. This is it, guys.
And then you'll see the first aid kit, that white deal against the back. Ball pin there, that's first aid. Down below, the purple Tupperware, that's survival. And then there's another first aid right here, stuck in the corner right there.
Okay, we're at our cottage now. Everybody's looking at their new lures that they emptied Cabela's from. Paul's learning how to tie a knot. Andrew's shaking all his lures. And John, I don't know what he's doing. He's playing with his scissors.
Got mine.
Got it? Look at all this stuff. Got our boats. This is the lake. Awesome. He's got a very big one. I'm gonna throw in a different lure because they just keep missing this one. These guys are like alligators, man. Okay, you can toss that. Hey Andrew. Andrew,
Yeah.
how you doing, buddy?
Doing good.
Having a good time? Well, let's just see. I'll wait. See, we don't know where it comes out though, right?
Oh. Well, this one.
It's deep enough, all right. This is gonna be great. Let me look at that head that you bounced that lure off of. Oh yeah, he's still got his hat on. That's a good sign. Hey. All right, they're gonna clear this. They're gonna try to clear the beaver dam. We made it! How you doing, guys?
Oh, not bad.
That was pretty cool, wasn't it? That was the wimpiest girly cry. They just.
Yes, sir! Oh, that was awesome.
There won't be a dam there after all if we keep doing that.
There he is! Hey, wave to the fans, say hi!
What is it, 5 inches?
Yeah, stand up, it looks good.
Hey, Paul, give us some words of wisdom on that catch. That hat's not photogenic, just so you know. It's a good thing we're long distance away.
Squeeze them until they start choking. When you're getting
Paul thinks he's a pro. He catches one fish and then he thinks he can control with 2 lines in the water. What a bum. Oops. What was he doing?
I was hoping to see some smoke. I had my head right down there. It probably didn't help him.
You were sucking the air out of it?
I was blowing on it, trying to get it to ember.
So he's trying to teach you.
Right now he's teaching us a lesson on how to stab yourself.
Yeah, I'm sure. And the other lesson is start a fire on a wooden deck. That's what I've noticed he likes to do at my house too.
He says his hands, they're all blistered up. I go, yeah, you get a fire started and you're going to die because you can't do anything.
One-man wrecking crew.
All right,
All right, we're in.
all right.
Everybody's here and no fingers are missing. No digits are broke.
Did you guys hear what he was saying? He said that on a nice day, going up this route, he said this is the single most spectacular fishing he's ever done. He said this goes when it's happening, because you literally have to miss water to catch a fish. He says,
All right, out he goes. This is awesome.